And today marks 70 days of protests by our farmers across Delhi's borders. BKU chief Rakesh Tikait, who's been leading the protests in some parts, will be visiting Haryana's Jind district to hold a Khap Mahapanchayat in the Kandela village to chalk out measures to intensify farmer protests that have been raging at Delhi's borders. Farmers from various areas have started arriving ahead of the crucial Mahapanchayat meet. Tikait's visit comes just hours after he had proclaimed that farmers are in no mood to relent and are ready for the long haul. His visit comes at a time when farmer protest sites have been fortified using barricades, using barbed wires, along with roads studded with iron spikes in the run-up to a chakka jam or a traffic jam announced by farmers on February 6th, and to avoid, according to the corps, a rerun of the Republic Day violence. So 70 days of protest, and the farmers at Delhi's borders have threatened to intensify their stir. The Kisans have called for a chakka jam on 6th February, a call that's prompted the Delhi police to turn the 3 border protest points into virtual fortresses. You have nails that have been embedded into the roads, trenches that have been dug, and permanent barricades, concrete barricades, have been erected. Here's the latest on the mega border showdown.
Barricades, barbed wires, roads studded with nails, triple layer of concrete roadblocks, and hundreds of security personnel. This is the Ghazipur border that has turned into the latest epicenter of the farmer protest after an emotional appeal by BKU leader Rakesh Tikait. The number of farmers joining the protest is only increasing. The police, in a bid to stop any repeat of Republic Day violence, have turned this protest site into a fortress with 6 layers of security. The BSF is in charge of the first layer. They are deployed where cemented barricades are placed. In the second layer, barbed wires, trenches and nails have been used. The third layer has Delhi police along with CRPF and ITBP keeping vigil. The fourth layer comprises of large barricades made of cement and iron. Large trucks and trolleys have been parked as 5th layer of security. The final layer is of a barbed fence. The farmers aren't happy about it.
ये सारी नाकामी है सरकार की। कोई हम टेररिस्ट आतंकवादी हैं क्या? हम तो अन्नदाता हैं, कमाते हैं और औरों को भी खिलाते हैं। हम भी समझ गए। अब सरकार हमारे से डर रही। सरकार अब खुद समझ रही मैं क्या गलत कर रही, क्या सही कर रही। अब सरकार की आंखों में खुद डर है हमारा।
इतनी बुद्धि लोग कि मार 10 रोक कर रखेंगे। किसने बुद्धि दी है? सरकार नहीं है ये। सरकार का काम ही नहीं है।
Barely a kilometer away from where the protest is taking place, barbed wires have been put up at the Ghazipur border. The police is on its heel. The administration is leaving no stone unturned to barricade and fortify the entire area. Barricades have been put up along with the barbed wires. Heavy police deployment. Police personnel are present wearing riot gear. The administration does not want the farmers to move from the site and enter the national capital.
Singhu border isn't any different. Here, iron rods have been placed between 2 rows of cement barriers to restrict the movement of protesters towards the capital.
This is the area where the Kisan Mazdoor Sangharsh Committee stage, that is the smaller stage towards the Delhi side, stands, and this is the 5th line of barricading before the Kisan protest begins. Behind the stage is a 200-meter long no man's land which has been taken over by the security forces, and after that is another line of heavy barricading, including containers and concrete barricading that divides the Sanyukt Kisan Morcha stage, which is on the Haryana side. No media person is being allowed to go any further from this particular line of barricading.
Similar security measures have been undertaken at the Tikri border as well.
किसानों ने दिल्ली में मार्च किया था, जमकर हिंसा हुई थी। उसके बाद दिल्ली पुलिस ने टिकरी बॉर्डर पर देखिए इस तरीके से जो नुकीली चीजें हैं वो यहाँ पर गाड़ दी है। पूरा जो ये टिकरी बॉर्डर है, हर तरफ इसी तरीके की जो नुकीली कील है उसको सड़क पर गाड़ दिया है, ताकि अगर कोई ट्रैक्टर मार्च होता है या गाड़ियां लेकर टिकरी बॉर्डर से दिल्ली की तरफ जब किसान जो प्रदर्शन में बैठे हैं वो आगे की तरफ बढ़े तो वो जो गाड़ी है वो पंचर हो जाए।
As fortification increases, farmer leaders have assured they won't move towards Delhi.
हमें दिल्ली जाना ही नहीं, ये तो जनता के रास्ते में कील लगाई इन्होंने कि जनता ना जा सके। जितने जनता के रास्ते बंद होंगे, जनता को सब पता कि कौन बोल नहीं रहे, पता सबको, सब मिलते हैं हमसे।
The authorities, however, aren't taking any chances following the Republic Day mayhem.
हमने क्या किया है? हमने उस बैरिकेड को मजबूत किया है, सिर्फ मजबूत किया है ताकि बारंबार उसको तोड़ा ना जाए।
The six-layer security comes on top of a blanket ban on internet at all 3 farm protest sites in Delhi. Bureau Report, India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.